Okay, so a quick run through the state software. So you click on new project here. You can choose a show pack, click on next, enter your location, so it's street, choose the street corner and click next. And then you can choose your actors. Now clicking on the actors with the padlocks here, and they're premium actors, and therefore you would need to pay for them. The ones without the padlock are free actors. So I can call one person Thor, and I can choose Lionel, and then I will call another person Anna, and I will choose Kayoko, and I click on next. Here I'm able to type my first lines of dialogue, but of course these lines of dialogue will then be added on and expanded. So first lines of dialogues are hi, and I click next. You're done. So we click on finish, and we'll wait a little bit while our project is being created. As you can see here, you've got your lines of dialogue. To be able to add more lines of dialogue, all you can do is just click script and then add a dialogue block or delete dialogue block. And basically here you've got your street selection, you've got your actors, you've also got possibilities of actually getting the actors to do something, to be animated. So we've got walking, okay, we can get the actors to assume different posture, looking at the camera, having head movements. Here we've got looking at targets, and therefore target would be, for example, Anna. We've also got possibilities of watching different camera shots, and for example, if I click on here and drag my camera there, okay, I've got no camera here, so I can set my own camera. So for the first scene, I would like to set the camera from an angle where we can see the two actors here a little bit far away, but I have the possibility of actually zooming in. So I can zoom in. I can also pan. Okay, zoom in a little bit. So this is the dolly wheel. Got zooming here on this one, panning again, maybe get a different angle, zooming in a little bit. Yeah, I can choose to rotate a little bit, but this wouldn't really be sensible. I can just give a different shot. Say that I'm adding this camera scene. Okay, so it's added its camera 5, and now the camera is, I just drag it here, and now my camera shot. I cut directly from a high to the camera, and we'll see how this works in a jiffy. Okay, aside from cameras, this is also a smart camera. The smart camera basically tracks movement of actors, and therefore we've got frame 1 actor, that's fine. We've got extreme close-up, maybe medium close-up would be a little bit better, and I can choose between Anna and Thor. Okay, and this is my first scene. I've created my first scene. I can also create, as I said, different kinds of animations. I can also include a movie, I can include sound effects, and I can also include a voiceover. Such a resource is especially useful in education, especially when trying to come up with a particular scenario. So if you want to put in a particular scenario and discuss a particular scenario as an introduction to a topic, or maybe just to get students to think and come up with certain problem solving skills, well, this is an ideal resource to use and get started. So have fun exploring it. In order to publish it, what we can do is we've got two options. One is export as movie, one is publish the movie. Publish the movie means publishing to a social networking site or publishing to YouTube, whereas export the movie is exporting it to a selection where you can actually view movies wherever, on whichever program. So I can put in a full screen. This will save it as an AVI movie. I choose that. I choose where to save it. So I'll save it, as I said, it's an AVI MPEG 4, and I'll just go to test. Let's say right, we replace it, and it's waiting. It says wait a moment, and the movie is being done. That is all.